Guys, be a bit alive. Come on.
Yeah.
We're playing League of Legends, man.
Oh no, the colors, they're distracting me.
Welcome to the LCS.
If you have money, don't just not buy a ward. 75 gold. Get the goddamn wards. Everyone. Pink wards every back.
Yeah, go Nexus, please.
Why not kill? We can kill them.
Nexus, please. Don't do the same shit that I did.
Listen to the sound of my voice.
There is no sound to listen to, by the way.
I like that lock-in. It shows confidence.
Enemy, many.
Guyan, Nasor. Nasor.
No, don't end it,
What I do inside the Nasor? Please. Nasor.
I got it! Ezreal! Kite back! Okay.
I'm going
Find him! Yes! Kill front! That's good. I pull him off!
Dead, I'm dead.
GG.
We lost.
Why there? Why? Enemy many.
Yeah.
Why?
Okay guys, there's nothing much to say besides be calm, be intelligent, don't get overexcited because we're 2-0.
You wanna go Clan Fiesta?
Yeah, we're going full Scrim Clan Fiesta.
Kite back.
I'm behind them now, I'm behind them.
We win the fight.
Slow. Kite back, Silver.
Gragas.
Alice after.
They have no damage.
GG!